How to pair the Redmi Buds 4 Active to a Samsung S24 Ultra phone with Android 14 One UI 6.0. Let's get started. So your Redmi Buds 4 Active is this one right here, and make sure they are not connected to another device. So go ahead and unpair them if they are, okay? Next up, make sure they have some battery life, at least 50%. And as you open up the case lid here, you're gonna see these white lights start to blink, right? So it's right on the inside part here. Just wait for them to start blinking. And that's pairing mode. Of course, you'll have to make sure they're both in the case. So that's the only way you can get them to pairing mode. And you'll see how they are blinking right now. Once it does that, leave it open like this here. And on your S24 Ultra, you will now go into the Bluetooth settings. So you're gonna look for the Bluetooth settings here, and you will use the quick panel access for this here. You can pull it down once or twice. Look for the toggle itself, which would be this one right here for One UI 6.0. It's going to look like this. Long press it and go to details right here. Don't turn it on from here. Turn it on from here so you can actually see what's going on. All right. Now, when you do this, this is going to happen. These are going to be easy to pair up for you. Just press connect and it's going to run this thing here for you, and you will see your it's going to say device connected, all that stuff here. And of course, once you're done, you are done and you're good to go, ready to use them. And of course, it's going to basically work similar to AirPods. So if you named them before, connected them to another device, you'll see the name of it right here. And that should be it, okay? So you can go into the settings too if you want to. And that's that, my friends. So ladies and gentlemen, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.